For the fog lamp wiring, on the left you have to remove this headlight unit. So then only it will be like easy access for this actually. So you can connect to this only. So I don't have that pins actually, inside pins I need. So I just use I'm using these things. So you can just use it and just tape it nicely. Even this side. So this side is not necessary of removing any headlight. So it will be here only. So you have to take that light wiring which I've done. So see, this is the wiring which I have done. See, this is a H11 type, and this is the connector for this. So we have to connect positive, like you have a one like reddish color one, and one is light color. So light color one is negative and red is positive. So you can connect for that. So in this wires, positive is like red and negative is like black. So be careful with positive and negative while connecting the wires. So yeah, yes, now it is connected, as you can see. So you have to tape it thoroughly. So I'll just, so in this is red is a positive and black is a negative. Okay. Oh yeah, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, this is Manoj. So today we are going to install the fog light for Polo trendline. So already I have removed that case. So it's just a clipping system. So you can remove it easily. So as I showed you how to do all the wirings, everything. So now we'll install the fog lights. Yeah, we'll install it. So you have to connect this plus and minus. You have to see plus and minus for this, and then connect. So you have to keep the wiring here. So you have to see where this will go and clip in. So okay, once you get that, you have to screw. So holes, everything will be there. So only thing is that you have to buy the screws and fog light. You have to screw it tightly. So now you have to check is it working or not. So before only you would have checked that. Yeah. Yeah, it's working. So I have checked two sides also. So before you install this, you have to check it. So as of I have checked already. So I'm installing it. So this is the trend line one. So I have it was same like this, and I have made a hole here. So which I can install the fog light as per as now. So later on, possible if available in market, I'll just replace this housing bezel for this. So once we are done with fog light, now we have to put this one here, and you have to see the lockings for this so that it will sit perfectly. Once it is done, you have to just press it lightly so it will get locked. So yeah, now it is locked. So now we'll do another side. Other side. Okay. Same you have to do is you have to check the wiring here for this. See which is plus and which is minus. These things here. Once you connect, just place it here. Okay. Yeah. Now we'll just click on and check it. Yeah, yes, it's working now. So we'll fit the screws. Make sure the screws are tight, not over thread. Don't tighten it hard. So yeah, same thing. So even this side has been cut. So you have to see. Everything is lock system, so be very careful with that. Gently push so that it will get locked. Here also. Here also. Okay. So now we'll see the looks of the car. So you don't find any difference when you come very closely. You'll be able to find out the gap, or else nobody is able to find out that. So we'll come on walk through. Yeah, we'll see. We'll check that lights how it is working actually. Yeah. See. To the right. It's tinted actually. So in trendline you will be having this switch, so which doesn't have a front fog light switch, so you have to change this whole setup. So I have changed it and made it to the auto headlight switch, so which I got it from wish.com. So you get like this and you can pull it twice, so your parking lights will on. So you have two parking lights, like one is for the front and one is for the rear, both you have, and even auto. So the sensor I placed is here, so I have a different video for installation of this. So it's quite easy. You have to just keep it to the zero, just push to your right and pull it out, so you get this complete unit out. Okay. So again, once you are putting it, just take it back to the zero and pull it out, so it will get locked. So the same thing. So before you order, just see your connector types. So only if you have changed this, only then you can use a front fog light. Okay. Okay, guys, please do subscribe to my channel for more and more videos.